Hello guys, welcome to my academy. In this video we will discuss cranes construction, the concept of cranes construction by a very simple example. So here we start. In a slider crank mechanism having a stroke length of 30 cm and a obliquity ratio of 4, the crank is rotating uniformly in an anti-clockwise direction. The angular velocity of the crank is 52 radian per second. The crank has turned through angle of 48.45 degree from in a dead center position. Determine using planes construction acceleration of slider, angular velocity and angular acceleration of connecting rod, velocity of slider. So here is the data given in the question. Stroke length is given as 30 cm, that is 0.3 meter. Stroke length equals to 2r, that is 2 into length of crank. So therefore length of crank is coming out is 15 cm, that is 0.15 meter. Now obliquity ratio is given by length of connecting rod by crank radius, that is equals to L by R equals to 4. It is given in the question, obliquity ratio. So length of connecting rod is given by 0.6 meter. Now we will do the construction according to the given data. So here we start the planes construction. I am taking the diagram scale as 1 cm equals to 10 cm, that is 10 cm equals to 1 cm. So by this scale, crank radius R by scale equals to 1.5 cm and connecting rod length is given by 6 cm. So here we will start the construction. Now here crank radius is 1.5 cm. So we will make an arc of 1.5 cm. In the question it was given the angle is 48.45 degree. So at 48.5 degree we will make a line. This angle is 48.45 degree and this length is 1.5 cm. Now the connecting rod length is given as 6 cm. So I made a length of 6 cm. This diagram is rough diagram. If you draw this diagram by a correct scale, you will get the correct answer. So I took this 1.5 cm and 6 cm is connecting rod. Now what we'll do next, we will extend this connecting rod length here. This will cut this axis at suppose point M, at M point. Now how to do the planes construction? We will consider this length as the radius of the circle. Considering as the radius of circle, we will draw a circle here. Here is the circle. Now considering connecting rod length as diameter of a circle. So the center of this rod is suppose here and we are giving this center name as G. So considering this as a diameter of circle, we will draw another circle here. Here is the another circle. Now what we will do, we can see here these two circles intersect at these 2 points. Now we will join these 2 points. Now we will name this diagram. This point is O, this point is A and this point is Q, and I am taking this point as N. Now in this diagram we can see here is a triangle forming AOM and here is a polygon AQNO. This triangle AMO is the velocity triangle, and this polygon AQNO is a acceleration diagram. Now we will move further. Now from the construction, this triangle AMO represents the velocity diagram, and if we measure the length of this AMO or AO by the scale, it will come as in actual construction work. This we have done the rough work. If you do the actual construction work, the values will come out as AM equals to 1.01 centimeter, AQ equals to 0.17 centimeter, ON 0.56, QN 1.11, AO 1.5, and MO equals to 1.3. Now this triangle represents the velocity diagram. In this triangle, OM represent velocity of crank OA, AM represent velocity of connecting rod AB, OM represents velocity of slider or piston P. Now this polygon AQ and O from the diagram, this represents the acceleration diagram. In this diagram, OA represents radial or centripetal acceleration of crank OA, AQ represents radial or centripetal acceleration of connecting rod AB, QN represents tangential acceleration of connecting rod AB, AN represents resultant acceleration of connecting rod AB, ON represents acceleration of piston. From these values which we have calculated from the diagram, we will calculate now the velocities of the slider, piston or connecting rod or crank, and the acceleration also. Now we will see the calculation part of the velocity and the acceleration. Now from the given values in the question, VAO velocity of crank OA equals to R omega, it is given as 0.15 into 5.2 equals to 7.8 meter per second, and the radial or centripetal acceleration of crank OA from the given value in the question, it is coming as 405.6 meter per second square. Now we will calculate the velocity diagram scale value, that is velocity diagram scale velocity. Now VA is equal to OA in centimeter from the diagram into velocity diagram scale. Now from these values, velocity of the from the diagram scale coming as 5.2 meter per second, and acceleration diagram scale value will be calculated by this FOA equals to OA in centimeter from the diagram into acceleration diagram scale. Now acceleration diagram scale will come as 270.4 meter per second square. Now from these scale value we will calculate the velocity of the other part, that is connecting rod and slider. Now here are the velocity calculations. VB equals to velocity of slider B. VB is given as OM in centimeter from diagram into velocity diagram scale, that is VB is given as 1.31 into 5.2 equals to 6.81 meter per second. This 1.31 is the value we have measured from the diagram by the scale. We have used this value here, OM, that we have written before. So VB is given as velocity of connecting rod AB. It is given by AM in centimeters from diagram into velocity diagram scale, that is 1.01 into 5.2 equals to 5.252 meter per second. Here is the concept of velocity diagram coming here. We can calculate the velocities of the different part. Now the angular velocity is given as VBA upon AB in meter, that is 8.753 radian per second. Now we will calculate the acceleration part. Acceleration calculations are done here. FBA equals to radial or centripetal acceleration of connecting rod AB. It is given by AQ in centimeter from diagram into acceleration diagram scale. It is coming 0.17 into 270.4 equals to 45.968 meter per second square. This value is measured value from the diagram that we have written before. Now the tangential acceleration of connecting rod is given by Qn in centimeter into acceleration diagram scale. It is coming out as 300.144 meter per second square. Now the angular acceleration of connecting rod is given by tangential acceleration upon the length. It is coming as 500 radian per second square. Now the acceleration of piston B is given as FB when in centimeter from diagram into acceleration diagram scale. It is coming out to 59.584. So guys, here is the calculation part of the plane's construction and the how to draw the plane construction diagram we have shown in this video. So guys, subscribe the video and like the video and share the video to your friends. So guys, comment in the comment box your doubts and your queries if you have, and also comment the next topic video that you want me to upload. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.